Hello friends, welcome once again. One friend of ours commented that we should make a video on mixtures. So, following our friend's advice, here we are. Now, it is a humble request to you, if you have any query related to science and science activities, just mention it in the comment section. Now, coming to what mixtures are. A mixture contains two or more pure substances mixed together. Mixtures are of two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous, but we will not go into that in detail. So today, we will try to understand the properties of mixture with the help of an activity. For this activity, you will need a transparent ball or jar, magnet, some iron nails or any magnetic object, some salt, and of course water. So to study the properties of mixtures, we will have to prepare a mixture. You will ask me what mixture I am going to prepare today. In everyday lives, you have seen mixtures of different types and different varieties. But today I am going to make a very crazy mixture. Yes, a crazy one. So our first step is that I will pour some water into this glass bowl. And now I will add these iron nails. And these small nails into this water. So what you see in front of yourself is a mixture. Really? Is it a mixture? Yeah, it is a mixture because we have mixed up water and iron nails. That can be a crazy mixture, but yeah, it will help us to understand the properties of mixture in a better manner. Now, our first observation. Now, when a mixture is prepared, our first observation for this mixture is that you can see the proportion of water and iron nails in this mixture is not fixed. In any of the mixtures, the proportion of components is not fixed. What does it mean really? Is that if I take out this iron nail, or if I take out more iron nails, or if I remove the water from it, or I add more water, it does not change the properties of the mixture. अब थोड़ा हिंदी में समझ लेते हैं. इसका हमारी पहली प्रॉपर्टी मिक्सचर की ये है कि हम कितनी भी क्वांटिटी में दो सब्सटेंसेस को किसी भी प्रोपोर्शन में ऐड कर सकते हैं. मतलब कि या फिर तो मैं इसमें कितनी भी आयरन नेल्स डाल दूं, या इसमें से 2-3 आयरन नेल्स और निकाल लूं, या पानी और निकाल लूं, फिर भी इससे मिक्सचर पर कोई असर नहीं पड़ेगा. ये मिक्सचर का मिक्सचर ही रहेगा. मिक्सचर में हमारे पानी मतलब कोई भी जो हम कंपोनेंट्स ले रहे हैं उनका प्रोपोर्शन कभी भी फिक्स नहीं होता है. उसे हम चेंज कर सकते हैं, वो वेरिएबल होता है. तो यही हमारे एक मिक्सचर की प्रॉपर्टी होती है, और ये मतलब काफ़ी वेरी करती है क्योंकि कंपाउंड्स में जो प्रोपोर्शन है, हमेशा कोई जो दो चीज़ें हम मिक्स कर रहे हैं उनका प्रोपोर्शन हमेशा फिक्स्ड होता है. तो ये थी हमारी पहली प्रॉपर्टी. अब चलिए देखते हैं सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी. नाउ our second property is that energy is neither given out or nor observed in the preparation of a mixture. अगर हम इसे हिंदी में समझना चाहें तो इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर जब हम एक मिक्सचर को तैयार करते हैं या मिक्सचर को बनाते हैं, जब हम दो कंपोनेंट्स को ऐड कर रहे होते हैं, उस प्रोसेस में कभी भी ना तो एनर्जी रिलीज की जाती है ना ही एनर्जी वो ऑब्जर्व होती है. मतलब अगर वैसे तो एनर्जी कई फॉर्म्स में रिलीज और ऑब्जर्व की जा सकती है, लेकिन मोस्ट यूजली ये होता है कि या फिर तो उसका टेम्परेचर लो हो जाता है या उसका टेम्परेचर हाई हो जाता है, मतलब वो इंक्रीज कर जाता है. तो चलिए हम ऑब्जर्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि क्या इसमें टेम्परेचर में कोई डिफरेंस है. वैसे तो आप सबको पता है कि इसमें टेम्परेचर में कोई डिफरेंस चेंज नहीं होगा, लेकिन एक बार फिर भी इसको ऑब्जर्व करके देखते हैं. तो यहाँ पर हमने वाटर और आयरन नेल्स को फिर से एक बार सेपरेट कर लिया है. अब हम वाटर और आयरन नेल्स को टच करके उनका टेम्परेचर एस्टिमेट करने की कोशिश करेंगे. नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर. अब हम दोनों कंपोनेंट्स को मिक्स कर देंगे. नाउ वी विल मिक्स बोथ द कंपोनेंट्स. Now we will observe the temperature of the mixture. It is at normal temperature. The water and iron nails were also at the normal temperature, and the temperature of mixture is also at room temperature. So we can conclude from this that energy is neither given out or nor observed in the preparation of a mixture. So going ahead to our third property. Our third property is that all the constituents of a mixture shows their properties. So in our mixture we have water and iron nails. So we all know that iron nails and iron have a magnetic property. So they will be attracted towards the magnet if they haven't loosened their property because of the metallic property. So we will try it out. We will bring the magnet close to the iron nails and we will observe if they are attracted towards the magnet. So here you can observe that all the iron nails and iron particles have got attracted towards the magnet and they have stuck to the magnet. So they have not loosened their magnetic properties. Now we will try this out with water. We all know that water is a universal solvent. Everything dissolves in it completely and it submerges everything very perfectly. So we will try this out with salt and water. We will try to dissolve salt in the iron and water solution. Now we will take some salt and try to dissolve it in water. You can see this is our salt, and you can see this. We will try to dissolve it in water completely and see does water retains its property of as a universal solvent. Okay, we have to wait for it for some time. For some time, we observe that the salt has completely dissolved into the water. It means that water has retained its property as a universal solvent. Hence, we can conclude that all the constituents of a mixture show their properties. The most important property of mixtures is that they can be separated into their constituents with the help of physical processes. मतलब ये है कि हम किसी भी मिक्सचर को फिजिकल प्रोसेस की मदद से, मतलब किसी फिजिकल प्रोसेस से जो जिसमें कि हमें उसके केमिकल स्टेट में चेंज ना करना पड़े, कोई ऐसी फिजिकल प्रोसेस का इस्तेमाल करके हम मिक्सचर की जो चीज़ें हैं जो मिक्सचर्स बनाती हैं, मिक्सचर जिससे बना हुआ है, हम उन सबको अलग अलग कर सकते हैं किसी भी फिजिकल प्रोसेस की मदद से. Yeah, I have taken this mixture so that I can easily separate it into its constituents. Now, it is very much easy for us to separate these iron nails from this water. You can do this with the method of hand picking, which is very easy, or you can just take this magnet and you have to dip this magnet into the water and the iron nails will obviously get attracted towards the magnet. It's so simple. See, all the iron nails and the iron particles have got attracted to the magnet. So you can observe here, one is left. Okay, sorry. Okay, now you can observe here that all the we can easily separate a mixture into we can easily separate the constituents of a mixture with the help of physical process. This was very easy, but sometimes the mixture is complicated and you need physical processes that need equipments and laboratories where you need to boil you need evaporation, sublimation, these type of processes. But it was easy, and that's why I have taken this mixture, so that it would be easy to explain the properties of mixture with it. Now, as we have understood this property, let's move on to the next property. The next property is that a mixture do not have a definite melting and boiling point. So to observe this property, we would have to heat this whole mixture of iron nails and water, but due to some reasons I'm not able to make the video of that because I do not have highly specified equipment. So you can observe at your home yourself by taking any mixture you can take, like salt in water solution, any mixture you can take, and you could observe at your home that the mixtures do not have a specific melting and boiling point. They will have separate melting and boiling points, and this point is used in separating its constituents. For example, separating two constituents which have different melting point and boiling point will help us to separate those constituents. इसका चलो नाउ अब हम इसका मतलब हिंदी में समझेंगे। किसी भी एक मिक्सचर का मतलब कि ये जो मिक्सचर हमने लिया था इसका कोई मतलब निर्धारित स्पेसिफिक मेल्टिंग पॉइंट या बॉइलिंग पॉइंट नहीं होता। मतलब कि अगर हम इसे मतलब फायर पे रख दें, आग पर रख दें, और हम अगर इसे उबालना शुरू करें और अगर हम इसे हीट प्रोवाइड करना शुरू करें, इसे आग देना शुरू करें, तो इस ज़रूर ये जो आयरन नेल्स का जो मिक्सचर है वाटर के अंदर, ये किसी एक पॉइंट पर एक साथ जो है वो बॉयल होना शुरू नहीं होगा। एक अलग पॉइंट होगा वाटर का जिस पे वाटर बॉयल होना शुरू होगा, और एक अलग पॉइंट होगा आयरन नेल्स का जिस पर कि आयरन नेल्स या आयरन जो है वो बॉयल होना शुरू होगा। इसी तरीके से मेल्टिंग पॉइंट है। तो ये इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन था हिंदी में। अब हमारा लास्ट जो प्रॉपर्टी है मिक्सचर की, द लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मिक्सचर इज दैट it's not a property of mixture, but it's a consequence or it's a observation that most of the mixtures, or usually mixtures, are heterogeneous. Heterogeneous basically means that the solute is dissolved uniformly in the solvent, or if we can say that the constituent of the mixture which is in smaller proportion, which is less in quantity, is distributed uniformly in the mixture or in the solution. So if we see in a prepared mixture, we can observe here that the iron nails are not uniformly distributed. They are concentrated at a region, they are concentrated at the bottom of the bowl. If we take this amount of water, we will not find any iron nail here, but if we look at the bottom of the bowl, we will find a lot of iron nails present at the bottom. So we can conclude that not all of the mixtures, but most of the mixtures are heterogeneous in nature, and the homogeneous mixtures are known as solutions and alloys. So we have performed this activity to understand the properties of mixture. I hope that this activity will help you in understanding the properties of mixture. So with this, we are going to say goodbye, and we will see you soon in our next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.